I got proof.
Okay.
All right, legs straight out.
Okay.
Legs straight out there, girlfriend.
All right,
Point your
hands
toes.
away from the metal clips. Do not touch the metal clips.
No, you need to have your
There
hands
you go.
down.
All right, guys, here we go.
That's the scary part.
Taking off. Easy compared to going on.
Now get some of the boat too, Val, and you can see how far away they are.
Yeah.
Get the panoramic shot, you know.
I'll get a panoramic view.
Wow!
Take a picture of our feet.
Woo! Well, this is calm.
Gets quiet.
It is. Now, when we get higher, you'll get to see dolphins and.
Oh,
So
yeah.
there's a lot of sharks by the inlet.
Yeah.
It is peaceful. You don't even hear the boat engine.
Now, because she's going to maybe use this for a promotional video, kind of get the panoramic shot.
Surrounding stuff. She is using it for promotion.
Yeah, she said she doesn't have a video of anybody parasailing, so
Well,
she wanted to make
does it
one.
have talking as well?
Huh?
Does it have talking as well?
I imagine.
Oh,
Here, I'll get a really good one.
This is the most wonderful. Oh gosh, you should lean back and take it.
Now the thing
I
should
wanna
be right
hang from
behind
my
your
knees.
eye.
Oh, why is it just ripping?
It is.
It's like I just hear ripping.
No, I'd like to. Well, if you drop, you have to keep your legs and arms together.
Really?
We're not going to
Unless you want an enema. See, I'd like to hang from my knees. Wouldn't it be fun, like on a trapeze?
Or just like
Yeah,
just
look at how
sit
far
back.
away that is. It's a long way.
There's a
Now the
cabin.
1,200 feet of line is like what? 300 times 4, so it's 4 football fields away.
Yeah.
It's a long way.
Can you get that other parasailer? Yep, I did it running off the beach.
Yeah, that's.
Back in the day in Mexico, you didn't have to sign anything. It's amazing.
You just had to pay. Ooh, we're going up high.
We are.
Now look over there.
We should get like a little.
Over here.
Yeah, do the island.
Turn around and really see that.
That girl said that her dad was afraid of it.
Jeez, they're far away, aren't they?
Yep.
Yeah. It is. He's scared.
Okay, hold on. Let me fix my mustache. Don't.
See, they're landed in the water.
Oh yeah.
Can't even hear the boat hardly.
So peaceful.
Look at that. Ballon almost as high as the jet.
Where's the jet?
Where's the jet? Jeez, you can see. Wait, don't talk because if there is voice in this video, I'm pretty sure there is. Ready, set, go.
No swearing.
You just messed it up.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go.
It's gorgeous up there. Look at the seagull. We're even,
Oh my god.
we're even higher.
You're not supposed to talk.
Oh. We're higher than a seagull.
Yeah.
Do a picture of that.
Yeah, but I'm gonna try to do one of the landscape without talking.
Okay. 1, 2,
Ready?
3. Everybody's quiet.
Okay. Crab Island. We already passed it.
Right back there. See?
That's Crab Island.
Oh,
on that pass.
Crab Island's over
So I hope that boat's watching where you're going.
Wait, is this all Destin over here too?
Oh, look at that big thing down there.
Oh.
Giant sea turtle down there.
It's an octopus.
That's what it is. Sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
Yeah, probably.
Look at those feet, huh?
Could be my feet.
Oh, right over these people.
Yes,
Hello.
that's a good shot. Just stay. Don't spin. See, look how many people are in that boat. Did you spin?
Nice, Val. Gee whiz.
Did you spin? Alan, that's no.
Sorry.
Uh-oh, you're not going with us anymore.
Man.
I was trying to spin.
Oh, no, what do you call a boat for you?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Jeez.
Look, there's something out there. See where that big shadow is?
Yeah. But there's no whales in Destin. Is there?
Now, way out in the Gulf there is. If you just keep going that way for
It's probably like just really.
You know, haven't you heard the song, Valen? You don't tug on Superman's cape and you
Nope.
don't spit into the wind. Okay?
No clue.
That's right. That's a Jim Crow.
Weird, look how dark that spot is over there.
That's a shadow from a cloud.
Oh,
See,
yeah.
there's another one right there.
Girl.
Huh?
All right,
Take a
now you can
picture of
get
the
some
stomach.
looking down the coast that way. Now.
Oh. Hey, take a picture of the parachute behind you. Oh. Turn the thing stick.
Now we're sideways.
This is nice to only have like 7 people.
Mm-hmm.
So what's the date today?
29th of June,
29th of June,
2018.
2018.
There we were, 5,000 feet in the air,
With
drifting along.
Kathy.
Steve
and Valen.
Valen,
See, I would've
a.k.a.
died.
Jimmy Valen.
Not dying.
Hey,
I'd rather
AKA
jump.
Jimmy
I
Fallon.
would've jumped.
Or Jimmy Fallon.
This coastline down there, panoramic shot.
Ooh, yeah.
Panoramic.
Yours is way out where that other parasail is.
Very exciting.
Why doesn't she have a video?
Who?
Your daughter.
Is that what?
That's it. The camera's new.
Yeah, she bought this one. Well, no, she had this. She bought the camera that he's using to take pictures. Because the other guy, Tanner, used his own camera.
Who's Tanner?
Here, I'm gonna try to keep it super still.
Yeah. Well, look at that. See, there's that turtle down there.
Turtle.
That's not a turtle.
There's another one.
There's another turtle.
Something. Another something.
That looks like a turtle though.
Yeah, that's an
Nice.
octopus.
There's another one right there.
Yeah. Oh, we got converging parasailing boats here.
Here, take a picture. He's turning us away, and he's turning. That's why you gotta pay attention. So over
Which
there,
one is going faster? Who's gonna win?
Okay, you see where that building is over by Crab Island?
Uh-huh.
Around that bend is where we're standing.
Oh, cool.
See, we're almost as high as the plane pulling the banner, see?
We are.
Oh, yeah.
I think I want to jump out over here. on 16.
Ah.
Monica went on her 16th birthday.
60th. I think you'd have a heart attack before you jumped out.
I didn't. Oh my
Get
God.
over there, see the people close, how close we are?
Try to talk to him.
It looks like one person.
Yes,
It is one person.
Those people over there. Are we going higher?
Yep. See, you're getting the special. You're getting the special VIP ride.
Yeah. That's nice to have a daughter that does this.
Oh, there's two.
What if the line broke?
Oh, you just keep your legs together.
Yeah, it'll float down like a regular parachute.
Really?
Yep. Or when you get to the water, you keep your
You have to
feet
go like
together.
this and your arms by your side. Or you're going to get an instant bathing suit come up out of your mouth. Whoa, that was a fun one. Look at that cabin cruiser.
Try to lean back.
Flipping out back.
You hear it?
See, that's why I'd like to hang for my knees.
It's been 8 minutes and 37 seconds.
All right.
See, we're getting an extra long time.
There's the shuttle boat waiting, so we're...
Okay, let's see some dolphins. Is he reeling us in? Is that why it's making noises?
Huh? That guy's boat, he's got an outdrive, and it sounds different.
There's a pirate boat.
Yeah.
Those are fun, but they're full of little kids. These
Yeah.
guys love to scare the little.
I keep hearing that. It's so frustrating.
Just relax.
Oh, look at that.
Just relax.
We're going right over the shuttle boat. Get a video of the shuttle boat.
Shuttle boat. Hey, it's that guy. It's
He's
medium guy.
He's got a new crew. Those are new parasailers.
Wait, yell his name. 1, 2, 3.
Ben!
Ben! Woo!
Now look for sharks and.
There you go.
Where? Oh, it sure is. Look. Dun dun dun
There's
dun
something
dun
like
dun.
that
dun,
there.
dun.
Another one.
That's a sea turtle.
And then there's a little one here.
Where?
Oh, I see it.
Little one right there.
Are those?
Yeah, look at dun dun dun. Oh, my 1, 2,
Jeez, there's
3,
so many.
4.
You're gonna bring us down right on the
Right on the shore.
Down. So,
Are we
oh,
coming
wait,
down?
Yeah.
We are.
Down, yes.
He's making a Yui.
Coming down.
There's one right there. That's a big one. Look at how big, look how big those sharks are.
Hey, are we gonna do the GoPro on the dragon boat too?
I don't know yet.
I don't
That's
think-
a
no, she
big
doesn't
one. Look at how big that shark is. Holy cow.
Where?
He's as big as we are. Yep. They're going, oh boy. Time to eat.
Everybody wave, he's taking pictures.
Sharks are in
Now, how
close.
come?
Hey,
how
she's
come
recording
the,
a video.
How come the water changes color? Did you listen to
Gets
the
Oh
deeper,
yeah,
guy?
because it gets deeper.
There you go.
It drops off.
Dropped off.
Get ready for your foot dip.
Uh-oh.
Yay! Up a dip.
Now see, that's when I would want to jump right there.
Oh! That got him.
He dipped us.
You got the exceptional one. Hey, everybody waves, take a picture.
We did. We got the good dip. When you dip, I dip. How's that song go?
Yeah. Oh wait, what?
You dip, I dip.
Hold on top. Hold up on top. Stand it up.
Whoa!
Don't sit down for a second. Let me get a peek.
Sit down, sit down.
You know that? Look right here.
Look at that.
No armpit pictures?
2, 3. Pictures they went blank.
There you go. The camera broke?
No.
No?
Damn. Couch. You don't do no picture.
Oh.
It went blank. So we gotta change
How are we supposed to get up?
With your legs.
I can't do that.
it. Take it off and it looks good.